how to run Python code on your iOS device. So let's get started. Running Python code on an iPhone can be done using several apps that support Python development. So first, all you have to do is go to the App Store in your mobile device. Then inside the App Store, tap on the search address bar and search for the Python code. Then once you tap on this search address bar, you will get to see Python code compiler and IDE option available there. Simply tap on it. Now all you have to do is simply download this app on your mobile device. Once you download it, you can tap on the editor to start writing your Python code. And once you have written your code, you can tap on the play button and the top to execute it. The output will be displayed at the bottom of the screen. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.